Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check the category of any YouTube channel in just few seconds. Let's get started. First, open your web browser like Chrome or Safari or any other web browser you have in your computer, and in the search bar, type view start, then press enter. Click on the first link in the search results to open the view start website. And on the home page, you'll see a search bar. Type in the channel name or handle you wish to check. I'll use Mr. Beast as an example. Once it shows up, click and select the channel. Then at the top of the channel's profile, you'll see a menu bar. Click on the About tab. Under the About tab, see the channels category. Okay, so the channels category, it can either be entertainment, gaming, education, and others. This is actually a great way to see how YouTube classifies content, especially if you're researching competitors or planning your own niche. And that's that, guys. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick guides. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.